So this is director view. It's a really cool feature that allows you to record the front and rear facing camera on Samsung devices and be able to get control over the lenses in the rear to get all these different perspectives. Now this may be in the more section on your S20 to S23 Ultra. This isn't on the S24 and you'll have to go into there to kind of bring it up. But you can see here, it gives you some really cool options to be able to use it. And you can swap cameras just by tapping on the top here. And you'll see that it'll swap and put this camera as the main camera and also change the microphone direction as well too, back to the front here. But you still also get the same controls over the rear facing camera, just like that here. There's a couple of different cool things we can do. We'll swap back. All right, and we can change the perspectives that you see here. Actually, before we do that, I want to show you that you can actually move this around, so the picture-in-picture isn't stuck in that one location. You can put this anywhere you want to, but you can change if you don't want picture-in-picture. You can go to split view here, and it'll go into split view mode, so we'll put one on one side and one on the other side, and still give you those same camera controls. You can swap this as well too, and it'll swap on the sides as well. It's pretty cool. We'll swap back. Now there's also single picture, or single view, which only shows you one side of it here. You can swap, and it comes back to the front facing camera. But the second you tap on any of these here, on any of these perspectives, it'll switch back out to the rear facing camera. Now we can switch this back to picture in picture here. Now what's pretty cool is that you can actually save these. So this right now, the way it's set, it's gonna put everything all in one video, but if you tap that arrow right here, now it'll save the front and rear as separate 16:9 videos if you want to do something later in post. All right, we don't need to record right now, but you can see that it'll save those as separate ones, and you can put it back and save it as previewed, as you kind of see right here. See, this is pretty useful, definitely for the folks out there that like to vlog. This does save this in 1080p, so you can't do this in 4K, but I think that's enough for vlogging and whatever you want to do online in terms of social media and things like that. It's pretty cool. I think on the S24 they went back to the dual preview mode, and because of that, that's doing 4K instead. But check this out if you have an S20 to an S23. Let me know how this works for you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.